Hello, guys, and welcome back again today with Creating with Tam. I want to thank you very much for tuning in today. We're still trying to find more and more work from home opportunities. I'll try to get back on here a few times a week, if not daily, to keep on giving you guys some more exciting opportunities. Okay, so before we get started, I'd like you to like the video, comment, and share. Don't forget to subscribe as well. Now, this opportunity today is with American Express, and it is a virtual job. Okay, everybody knows American Express as a leading credit card provider. Okay, and this is virtual for United States. Okay, so basically, with American Express, they're delivering extraordinary experiences to its customers, employees every day. Since the beginning, American Express has been defined by its ability to innovate, evolve, disrupt, and take risk. Okay, now for this actual role, you'll help propel your team and its business partners to success, deliver extraordinary service on inbound calls in a fast paced, structured customer care environment by following our customer first philosophy. Consult with the card members to understand their needs tailored to unique solutions for each customer, reinforcing the benefits of the card membership, providing relevant product offers that deepen customer engagement and result in measurable value for the card members. Continuously improve on key selling skills, address general and account specific customer inquiries, provide clear and concise information and updating customer account with information as needed, use tools and resources to identify customer solutions, meet and exceed the performance goals. Okay, so that's nothing, that they're really asking of you outside of the box. So the minimum requirement, proven success in a customer service and or consultative sales environment, 2 years plus. Okay, integrity to manage sensitive card member. Of course, you want to keep their information private, just as if it was your own information. Okay, they said passion for consultative sales. Okay, uh-huh. Ability to adapt, timelessness, and reliability. Okay, well, that's nothing, outside of the box either. You have to be there on time, be reliable. Okay, so system requirements. Okay, let's see what else is going on here. Okay, so dedicated separate high-speed internet connection with at least 25 megabits per second. Okay, yep, that's doable. That is the typical, speed for the regular internet. Some people that work at home actually upgrades to the business class just to get a little bit more speed. It also says right here that they will give you up to $100 for any setup fees that you incur with your provider. Okay, so that is awesome. A secure home office. Is that what you'll need? Okay. It says that you must live within 35 miles of our service centers in Phoenix, Arizona or Sunrise, Florida. Please review our careers. Okay. If you want something in a different area, it says here. Now the salary, $20 to 21.69 per hour. Okay. Now, this seems like it is for the West Coast employees. So here you go. I'm sure if you go on their career section of American Express, you can, find something that will be in your time zone or with your states as well. Even clicking over here, let's see what this one would say here. Okay, this one's written a little bit different. Okay, it's the same system requirements I'm seeing here. Okay, now this one is for Utah, Colorado, Oregon, Texas, Illinois, or Missouri. Okay, so it looks like everyone that you click on has different states, just like I was saying. So I'm sure that you can find one that you would like. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and leave this down in the description box. Hopefully, everybody's getting ready for the holidays. Maybe you're done by now. Hopefully, is anybody out there still Christmas shopping last minute? Is anybody just getting started? I had a friend of mine call me yesterday and said that they were just getting started. I said, "Oh my gosh!" So they're going to be a very, very fast, fast moving, busy person for the next few days leading on up to Christmas. All right, guys. So this is my job lead for today. I may come back again to post another one, but again, American Express is very, very known. I've heard nothing but good things about people that work for them. Okay, so go ahead and apply. I'll leave the link down in the box. Again, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell to be notified on my page so you will get notifications every time that I upload. Okay, until next time. Bye bye.